I'm Blue Dolphin with the Hoplite Security Channel, and in this video we're going to be getting into the Deloitte Hack Holiday 2021 Uforia Challenge. Let's get into it. Jumping right into things here, the challenge information reads, Uforia specializes in organizing your trip to space. Get some tickets while they last. The flag reads, can you validate the invite code? The flag is in the invite code. Okay, so I've spun up our system here. Let's go ahead and access our challenge. See what's going on. Looks like we got some options here for being an astronaut. It's awesome. Not sure if I can necessarily afford that, but... And then of course we have invitation. Oh, that was easy. Invitation codes. Okay. Oh, just this one is an invitation code. Okay. This option is invitation only. Enter your invitation code. And then there's a string up here, which I don't... Oh, this is just our URL. Okay, let's take a look at the source code. And let's jump over to our debugger and see what we have running here for a script. So let's make this a little bigger. Let's actually just check. I want to check the network traffic first and just give this a... Didn't do anything. All right, let me load the page. What do we have under the network traffic? Just look. Okay, so yeah, nothing. All right, let's go over to the debugger, see what we have. So it's in the invite code, so it sounds like we should have to find an invite code. You know, we should keep this simple and actually just check the page source first. Which... I don't see anything in here. Oh, wait, here we go. Function, contact us. So it prompts for the invitation. Then it tries to verify our verification code of length 12. Okay, so we know that our code needs to be length 12. That's helpful. Then we see that it's splitting the code up. I don't quite understand. That's odd. That's fine though. If parts join, not code. Okay. Oh, this looks good. So it says if parts does not equal UFO, return false. If parts 1 does not equal BTOA, not really sure what's going on there. And then if parts 2 equals char code at 0, 1, and 2. Huh. Okay, well that's kind of odd. Let me think. Let me open up a second page here just so I can bounce back and forth. And then what does the challenge say again? The challenge says, can you get the and it's a 2-point challenge. Okay. Seems odd for an OSINT challenge. Oh, I guess web and OSINT. So maybe web for the first part, OSINT for the second. Okay. Crazy. Let's jump out of this and just try going over to the console. And I'm just thinking, if we look at the script, so we know that the first part of what we think the invite code is should be UFO. The second part should be, I guess, BTOA. I'm just curious what BTOA is. Like if I put it in CyberChef, what do I have to do for it to say, wait a sec, if BTOA bracket UFO, and this is an open parenthesis. Just curious. To base 64, okay. From base 64. Nothing. That's interesting. So I'm not totally sure. Okay, so maybe I guess BTOA is BTOA. And it like is what it is. So then I think we just have to focus on this last part. If parts 2 I wonder, I'm not very good at web challenges, but I'm kind of wondering if maybe we can just copy this and pop it in the console. Let's see. Well, let me just adjust my monitor there. There we go. Okay, so let's oh man, I don't even know if I'm gonna. If you're watching this video, I made it. I survived. We're good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it though. This is looking not good. Let me get some more light in here. All right, we have a scam warning. Please don't paste things you want. Well, I don't understand this at all. So allow pasting. That's unfortunate. Okay, so I'm not very good at. Oh, I see the syntax highlighting. Oh, look, it already tells us. It gives us a number 234. Look at that. So that seems easy. So then we have to do okay, so the flag is what? UFO, BTOA, and that number, I guess. I don't know. UFO, BTOA, 234. Bam. Flag not correct. Oh, it's too good to be true. I have to do lowercase BTOA. And is this 12 characters? Let's see. BTOA. So UFO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Definitely not 12 characters. Oh, that's the splitting. I think the splitting. Where do we see that? Okay, so there's a split. 3, 4. Wait a sec. I think we have to just split these up. Does it say? Would it be underscore or like a dash? Parts join dash. Ahaha. Huzzah. Okay. UFO. BTOA. Oh, please work. This will be awesome. So that's 4, 8, 12. So we have 12 characters. What? It didn't work. Why didn't it work? Okay, let's look at this again. Prompt. This option is invitation only. Enter your invite code. So function code, cool. If the code is 12, happy days. We want to split the code at, so the first block is going to be 0 to 3. Then there's going to be at the 4th point, and then 9 to 3. So 9 minus 3, so at the end. Okay, if parts 0 is UFO, if part 1, I don't get it. Maybe this is the issue. BT. Let's look through the code again. Maybe so. I think there's just something else I'm missing. So in this first part, we just HTML, links, some meta, style, literally nothing important. Then we have div class, container, literally nothing important here. Might need to look around on the website a little more. Maybe there's some hidden button. No. Unlimited storage in your black hole and dedicated space in your cafe karaoke room. Ooh. Starfleet's up to 100 members. And then it's our function. Oh, and then that's it. What? I don't understand. Do we start setting breakpoints in here maybe? Like, prompt this. Kind of want to. Okay, I'm taking a shot in the dark here. I'm trying some breakpoints. So I've added a breakpoint to just under our function. And then I click contact us and you can see it's on the breakpoint here. I don't even really know what I'm doing, but I'm hoping I can, so it wants our code. So I guess I'll just enter a bunch of, okay, so now we go through the verify phase. So it says, all right, let's verify our function code. So it should fail here because it should say that it's not going to work because this isn't, it's not 12. It's not 12 characters. So now it's saying no good, bud. We're returning 12. Can we make this bigger? We can. All right, so watch expressions. That would also be helpful. Again, I don't even really know what I'm looking for here. Yeah, I guess let's just step in. So it skipped everything. It said no good. You're out to lunch. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's let it play out. Let's come back here, run this again. And then for our invite code, let's go ahead and we'll hit step into, and then we'll say UFO. Let's see if the UFO part works. It should, obviously. We say yes. Oh, you know what? I forgot it's not going to work because we need it to be 12 characters. So let's go ahead and say contact us, step in, and we'll go UFO and then placeholders 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm just thinking 12. But if it's splitting our code, are we supposed to make it 12 characters, or does the join make it 12 characters? I think if parts join, I think we actually have to add the dash ourselves here because it's not going to continue. So I think it'll pass this part and say, yep, 12, no problem. Okay, so now we're at interesting. So now now it's going to parts join. And oh, look at that. You can see the array here. It splits up our stuff for us. Okay, cool. So it'll actually split up the text for us, I guess. Now it's going to jump over to, oh, it's returning false. Which, fair enough. What are these other little windows here? I think we just want to focus on the call stack. Yeah, so it failed. Okay. So what we have to do then is hit contact us, get our invite, and then we'll go UFO dash 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this should get us down to part 1, and then we can mess around with whatever that nonsense is. So let's step in here. Our code length is 12. The strings are split up properly, 0 to 3, and then 4, 4, and then 9 from 3. Okay, and then our join is good. Perfect, now we're on to part 1. So UFO worked. And now we have this BTO business, but I don't know what they want. Wish I could somehow see, because it's gonna just go right to no, false bud, you know? Figure it out. And okay, so let's try this again. I just really don't know what they want. Okay, let's try it again. Let's go. I don't think this is gonna work. Let's go UFO BTOA, and then we know 234 is that final number. So I mean, oh, we got something. It just straight up said wrong invite code. Oh, it's because I didn't let it run through our breakpoint. All right, fair enough. So let's step in UFO. Otherwise, this doesn't work. I think what we'll do is we need to put the BTOA part in the console. I think, I don't know. Okay, so we step in, yeah, we have the right code, yeah, we're joined, yeah, we're substring, UFO works. Does BTOA work? BTOA goes straight to false. It's very unfortunate. All right, let's jump over to the debugger here. What is, I think, or I mean the console, let's do BTOA UFO. Oh, that's odd. What is like BTOA? What is BTOA? Oh, it stands for something. Okay. So BTOA is a method encodes a string in base 64. Oh, come on. Is it just UFO? Oh, so if we go UFO, hang on, UFO to base 64, Oh, so then UFO into, I think it's decimal, will be 234. Or no, because I don't even know what the last part of the function is doing, so we might have to troubleshoot that. So what was it again? It was VU. Let's try this. VU. VUZP. So let's go over to our debugger and get out of this. Let's run this again. VUZP, step in. It's going to want our code. We'll go UFO. VUZP 234. I think. Step in, da 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 da. Oh, return, no. Oh, capital maybe. Let's try again with capitals. Otherwise, I think I'm just gonna move on to this challenge and no one's gonna see this video. UFO VUZP 234. Don't know a lot about web, but I feel like I can't. Oh, that worked. Hello. Oh. It worked. But how do I get the flag? I don't get it. Where's my flag? Please continue the booking process, sending us an email. Okay, let's kill the debugger. Or sorry, let me kill the breakpoint and we'll just rerun this. Because maybe, I don't know. UFO dash VUZP dash 234. Oh, I'm silly. VUZP. Oh, yes, got it. Okay, well, I'm gonna wrap this video for part 1 because that was way longer than anticipated. And see everyone in part 2 and hopefully it goes well.